Hello there, friends, and well, that of course was Jingle Bells, the classic. And what I'm thinking here for you mandolin lovers out there is that here we are getting close to the holiday time, and some of you probably got mandolins for holiday gifts. Being that the mandolin is, of course, going through its gigantic renaissance right now, it being possibly the hippest instrument on the planet to play these days. That here you are, you got your mandolin, and you're like, well, got to learn Jingle Bells. Maybe you play guitar, maybe you don't play anything at all, maybe you're an absolute beginner. That is fine. This is for you. What I'm going to do is show you some of the easiest chords on the mandolin. Maybe you already know them. G, C, and D. And I'm going to get fancy and throw in an A chord there for you too. But here goes, G chord, just like that. First finger on the second string from the floor. That's how we count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we call this the low note. I don't know why. I guess because it's lower in pitch. And we call this the high string, low string, high string. That's just the way it is. Second fret, second string, first finger. That's a B note. Second finger on the high string, third fret, there's your G chord. Mandolin being the ultimate cool instrument that it is, it's tuned in fifths, meaning it's a regular tuning. Every note is the same distance from the other. So when you find a shape on the mandolin like this, if you move it over two strings, one set of strings, so that you're now playing the middle strings on the second fret and the third fret, you got yourself a C chord. Look at there, right like that. G chord, C chord. Oh, what fun. That's where that C chord comes in. It is to ride. So, I remember learning bluegrass tunes. I would always learn to change the chords on the word. I didn't think about bars or how long I stayed on something in terms of numbers of beats. I would just say, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, on the word O is your C chord. Oh, what fun it is the G. In a one horse, this is your fancy chord. One horse is an A chord. We're going to do that like this. Second fret, low string, and second fret, next string. G string and D string. I bar it because I have these big old fingers. Some of you who have thinner fingers, you can get two fingers in there on the second fret, the bottom two strings. You can do it that way. That's your A chord. All the fun is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, where's my pitch? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse. It's the word one. I got it now. One horse open sleigh is the D chord. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, there's your C chord. Oh, what fun it is. The is the G chord. Is so much like a G chord. In a one horse. This time we don't go to the A chord. We go straight to the D chord. One horse open sleigh. And we end on the G on the word sleigh. Fancy, huh? So we're going to put up the words to the song right now and show you right where those chords happen. And just strum a little simple downstrokes. There you have it. The classic. You're off to the races with your burning Mando groove. Good luck with it, folks. Come see us at ArtistWorks.com, the Mike Marshall School of Mandolin. There is so much to enjoy there. And no matter what style of mandolin you're playing or what level you're at, we'll have something nice for you. I promise you. And the students are very cool on the site, very supportive of each other. And the folks who run the website are top-notch technical wizards, and the thing runs as smooth as you can imagine. Come see us. Cheers and happy holidays.